Chini indefinite period sit demonstration सफलमा खलाई नै Tripura exam ma खलाई नै जवाब चली नै जवाब चली
लाइन
mak pun bergerak.
Join organization for it.
Thank you very much. First of all, I would like to congratulate you and also my blessing for the new year 2020. As you know, IPFT party and its allied organization since 2016 continuously were protesting against the CAB. Now it becomes CAA. It is not the first time. Since 2016, our party have the movement against this bill, and you know that this bill is very harmful for our people and for the state of Tripura. It will affect not only the tribal people and also affect the Bengali people. As you know, Tripura is already overpopulated, and CAB is already implemented in Tripura for many years. As you know, since Tripura is a neighboring state, neighboring country from Bangladesh, there are a lot of continuous influx, continuous infiltration take place. Therefore, Tripura is an example that in India, whereas the indigenous people, the native people become minority, it is a true fact in history. Therefore, further, we don't want to add anymore. Therefore, we are very much against, vehemently we are opposing continuously, though we are in allied partner with the BJP, but still our standpoint is the same, that we are not supporting the CAB or CCAA. This is our sole demand. And recently we met with the Home Minister, Amit Shah. We also explained him, saying that CAB should not be implemented in Tripura. You exempt the CAB bill to introduce in Tripura, and you can introduce other state, but not in Tripura. And we have explained him very thoroughly. We have explained him. We have shared our grievances. We have shared our pain. He understood, and he said he would think about this. Therefore, since now many party, many groups have been already filed case in Supreme Court. Now Supreme Court is going to hear about all these things, and this is the reason why we also, just to express our token of our expression, token of our grievances, we want to focus and we want to send our voices to the central government to not to implement in CAB in Tripura. And we also explained him that Tripura is already overpopulated. Tripura has become deteriorated in terms of population. Therefore, if CAB is implemented, there will be again more population will be increased, and we are afraid and we are worried that the indigenous people, native people, the population will be reduced. Now we are only 30%, and it will go down to maybe 20%, maybe 10%. This is our threat. Therefore, we appeal him not to implement in Tripura, and also we ask him that to safeguard our people, our main agenda is to create a statehood. That also we explain him. Unless we achieve, unless we get our scheduled area to be upgraded at a statehood, then our long-lasting solution will be not solved. Therefore, for permanent solution, alternative solution is only to creation of a statehood. That also we have explained him. We told him, but he said that time in the discussion he said about this issue, that the Tripura issue, we have to discuss again in detail. Therefore, he said he called us back within 15 days. But I heard that now the 125 amendment will be going to be introduced. So just to further discussion also again, recently I heard that on 19th of this month, January, all the stakeholders, all the political party and NGOs will be invited for the discussion in Shillong. So I was told that from relevant sources on 19th January, all our people from Tripura, different group, different political organization will also go to meet in Home Ministry, because Home Department is organizing. There will be some meeting will held on 19th of this month. Most probably from our state also, even our party also is going to participate for a discussion about the amendment of 125 amendment. So we just got a report. So hopefully, I think our grievances will be solved. Of course, you know that our district council is upgraded. District council more power will be given, and district council will be upgraded. More power is already passed the bill. So regarding this also, I want to mention we are really thankful to our state government, our Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Dev, and also central government Amit Shah to take care about all these things. As you know, most of the political leaders in Tripura, different political leaders, they are also demanding to get more power to ADC. Even CPM, Congress, all party, IPFT, everybody they are asking, they are demanding to give more power to ADC, and only ADC is having only more power. Today and tomorrow, there will be more power will be given. We have already passed our resolution. We already passed the bill in cabinet. We already sent our resolution to the central government that to upgrade the ADC in more power. Like as I have mentioned in my speech, now education sector, now high school, 12 school, college will be handed over to the district council, and land issue also, the land allotment and land uses also will be handed over to the district council. Now it will be territorial council. So slowly, the IPFT is moving ahead, and the people will understand, people will realize how the IPFT is moving for the people of Tripura, and we are all the peaceful, loving people. As you know, IPFT do not believe the violence. So our movement is always peaceful and democratic system. We have been in Delhi, we have been in several times in Delhi. So people are watching, and government also watching that our activities were not in violent way, always peaceful. That today also we are having sitting demonstration. It is a sitting demonstration. So this is only peaceful method. We are not having any violence. We are not having any anti activities of the